This is a 3-liter engine of a V6 Amarok, and it came in as a non-runner. We subsequently had to take the engine out of the vehicle as it couldn't turn at all, and we found the cause of the problem. The intermediate gear on this camshaft, the bearing has overheated and disintegrated, causing the gear itself to be misaligned. This in turn caused the gear on the inside that runs and drives the two camshafts to be misaligned, and its teeth was subsequently worn off, and this caused the two camshafts to stand still, and this caused catastrophic failure of the engine. As we can see, camshaft caps have broken, the rockers are damaged and broken as well. So this engine will require a complete strip down to acetate the total damage on the engine.